Good afternoon. Today I will talk about a project at INVEMAR where I had worked for 2 years as his of archive and correspondent. The project aimed to improve document organization and access to information because the institution needs more efficient processing to support decision making. Before this project started, the Institute had faced serious problems with document organization and many processes had not been standardized. Therefore, it had been difficult to find information quickly and accurately. When I started in this position, I designed an archival instrument and established new procedures, an organization physical and digital document, and trained staff in proper document management. This action improved the system. However, the process required constant effort and teamwork. Too far, we had implemented a standardized procession across departments and we had improved response time significantly. We had also organized a large volume of documents and the team has developed key tool for archival management. If we continue working this way, the institution will welcome more efficient and document management will be faster and more reliable. If an employer follows the established guidelines, the result will be even better. On the other hand, in this project has started early, the Institute would have avoided many organization problems and we would have achieved better results sooner. However, this experience has helped learn and improve continually. In conclusion, this project has strengthened the archive system and improved institutional efficiency. Is this a continuous process that will keep generating positive results in the future? Thank you for your attention.